ado. Alright, if you haven't figured it out by now, I am going to make some nice Trini homemade pepper sauce. We have everything washed, as you can see, so let me take some time and explain the ingredients to you guys. Alright, we have, of course, the main ingredient, which is the Scotch bonnet pepper. It's very, very hot, you have to be careful. Cilantro, garlic, gives it that nice little zing. Carrots, not much, just to ease up the burn a little bit, and also for some color. And some salt, of course, to bring out the flavor. We'll have to add to that some of this, some vinegar. Now this is a Trinidad pepper sauce, and the cilantro is actually a substitution, because in Trinidad we would use something called Bhandanya or Shadow Beni, or as everyone else might know it, Culantro. I'll put the name up on the screen. That is a bit more spicy. It's like cilantro, but it's stronger. But we don't have access to that in Jamaica, so cilantro is a good substitution. You just have to put a little more. We'll have to cut things up and put it into the blender. Now that we have the blender here set up, it's time to load all the ingredients into the blender. Alright, let's start. Of course, we cannot forget a little bit of vinegar and salt, and then we place the cover. Alright, looks very, very good so far. Let me check it out. Whoa! Oh, I'm sorry, but you know it's good when that heat hits you right away. Woo! It is hot. So yeah, that's a good sign that the pepper is hot. It's been good, be nice and flavorful. But let's look at the amount. You know what I think to use? Even more pepper. Alright, let me go and get some more. More fire. More fire. So why go through all the trouble of making this homemade pepper sauce when I could just buy some pepper sauce in the market? Nothing beats a homemade pepper sauce, that flavor and that freshness. And of course, you could put in how much heat you want in that pepper. Eating pepper is a very Trinidad thing. In KFC in Trinidad, there are 3 different condiment dispensers. There is ketchup, of course, there is mustard, and there is a pepper sauce dispenser. That shows you how much it is in our culture to eat hot, spicy food. A word of caution is be very careful when handling the pepper, especially Scotch bonnet and the Moruga pepper in Trinidad. I wash my hands, and I thought I washed it properly, and I washed my face because I'm sweating a lot before I film this, and all my face now is burning. So be very, very cautious. I love my homemade pepper sauce, and now that it is made, I just have to put it in a bottle, and then I could enjoy it finally. Alright, time to fill it in the jar. And we're using an old coffee jar here, and the reason it's good is that it has a wide mouth opening, so you can take a spoon, stick it down in there, and take out how much pepper sauce you want. Alright, let's go. There you have it. This is the very hot but very nice homemade Trinidad style pepper sauce. The only thing I would have done different is I wish I could have gotten like yellow peppers and red peppers so it would not look so green, because right now we're looking like green seasoning, but it is pepper, so I'm going to now try it with a sandwich. So my daughter made me this really nice sandwich that is made from bagels that she actually baked. So I'm gonna use this and test out the pepper sauce. And here we go, and this is how I like to eat my sandwiches. I actually like to dip my whatever I'm eating into the pepper. Alright, so dip. It's pretty good. I expected it to be hotter, to be honest, because of the amount of pepper I put in it. Let's try again. Oh, okay. It's delayed. It's actually very, very hot. So, anyway, that's it. It's tasting really, really nice. Has it has a lot of heat, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the video of me making this pepper sauce. Okay. Damn. Remember, remember to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay. Bye.